Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out today's video. My buddy Tyler is on his way over. You may recognize him from this video.
It's the cheaper version.
So he has since sold his VA chassis. He got out of Subarus for a little bit, got a street bike, but now he got into another WRX, so he's got a hatch now. And today we're going to be putting some wheels and coilovers on it. We have been doing some stuff to it. We did the downpipe and intake stage 2 stuff. We diagnosed a rattly wastegate, flapper, and all kinds of fun stuff. But I didn't film any of it because usually when my friends come over and we work on, cars with each other, I don't really like to film. I just kind of like to enjoy it and not worry about filming and editing and everything else. We just put on music, we just goof off and have fun. But he wanted to make this video because we had a lot of fun making our other video. We're going to do this one. We're going to record a little video for you guys. So don't take this as a how-to informational video, but we are going to put coilovers and wheels on his WRX, and we're going to have a fun time while doing it. So he'll be here any minute. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Let's check these fuckers out.
Well, one argument your wife couldn't make about this car is that it's not practical.
Look at that. Yeah. Hey, Axel.
Eat him. Fight him. Fight him. What are you doing? Uh-oh.
Yeah. They are, in fact, like before, the cheaper version.
Oh no, not the Rev 9.
Yeah. Y'all fuckers want to build a Volkswagen? Wheels, coilovers, build complete. You don't need nothing else.
What was that?
Remember that guy?
Oh, you tell me what you want to do to your car. You want to make your car cool and fast so you get the wheels and tires for Amazon.
Do I get bonus now? Am I going here? Up, back, what you want?
Whoa!
See, you don't need nothing under here, Volkswagen.
What is this?
Oh, that's factory.
What is this?
That's alternator.
Oh, okay.
You'll get them confused. People do it all the time. It's okay. NASCAR! Oh. Stop. Look at all that dirt.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I thought my car was... Oh my god.
Welcome to the quarry. I washed it twice. I didn't take the wheels off and wash it.
You did a shit job, my friend. Well, you want a power washer while we're in here?
Satan Judas junk.
Oh my god.
Still. We might as well just take it like the last time.
We might as well.
Might swell, mate.
Might as well. Oh shit.
Mate. Oh my fucking god, mate. Wait, I'm not on it. There you go. That's how you do this shit.
I kind of... Wait, hang on a second. I got you a gift.
Yeah!
That will break it loose.
Wait, wrong way. If it breaks it loose, I swear to God.
Oh!
Wow, it worked!
I can't believe it. I can't believe it was on there.
7 extensions later, we got her.
Wait a minute, that's unusual.
I ain't complaining. What?
I don't know, it's just unusual. Oh, well, we literally have one side jacked up, which usually makes this like ridiculously hard because of the sway bar. I literally thought we were gonna have to put a jack stand under it and jack up the other side, but I guess not.
All right, keep your hands on that fucker. I'm gonna loosen this bolt up. Yo, follow me! Follow me! Axel, no!
Oh my god.
It is the cheaper version.
Make sure you got that preload set, Philip. Oh, wait. Spring preload are set from factory. Do not adjust these two rings. Wow.
They got very advanced.
That's very, very advanced.
I'm gonna poop. Oh, wait.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Up a little bit. Down a little bit. Up a little bit. Down. Up. Down.
That's
Sideways. Hello? Something ain't right here. Hang on, let me try to get...
Ah!
But...
Let me get a fat
Wait a
ass
minute.
flathead.
Wait a minute, look.
What?
It's literally not going through the hole. On episode 1 of Rev 9 Coilovers, the factory bolt doesn't go through this one because there's like a little spur there in the hole that somehow got screwed up. So this bolt will not go through the hole on this mounting plate. Let's see if I can fit this in there. That's gonna be close. Oh! Did that do the trick? Oh yeah, that did the trick. 2.5 inches on that packer.
Yeah, 2.5. Shall we put the wheel on now? Let's put the wheel on and drop her down to see if it even looks good, because we might have to adjust. Oh, son of a bitch, Shotty. Back in my day, we used to shed our britches on for fun. You want to see a fucking star pattern so bad? I'll give you a star pattern. Are you happy now? Are you happy that I'm doing a star pattern?
Mate,
You think I should go lower?
mate, if I can fit a shoe in there, per mighty car miles, if I can fit a shoe in there, it's not low enough.
Well, let's go make
No, maybe we shouldn't go lower.
I think she's sitting pretty flush.
Yeah, I like it.
It's there. Oh my, I got me bloody roof rack so I can go hit some barrels with the surf.
Damn, bro, you gotta be hitting the surf and the barrels with your surfboard this summer, bro. You want your Subaru go fast? You got super air filter. Super air filter make car go faster, and tilty wheel make car cooler.
You know what's crazy, bro?
What's crazy, bro? Tell me.
Knowing that these 4 bolts hold your camber, that's kind of scary.
That is it. Oh, that's it. That's a little sketchy, bro. These 4 bolts hold your whole wheel from going crazy. You know, if this get loose, brother, your wheel go like this. Your wheel go like this, go crazy. Look at the tiny intercooler. That thing like a oil cooler. That's not a intercooler. That's oil cooler. You need to make that intercooler 10 times bigger. That's a small boy.
I think every time we do a video, my car is fucking filthy.
What are you doing?
You gotta go get the tire? What?
Oh. It's
Oh. See him inch. Oh, mate! They don't have these back home.
yeah, we'll just have to lift up.
Oh, that's right.
We'll have to use the jack. Plastic's like a razor blade.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. What are you seeing, puppy?
I see your ass.
Does your steering feel a little bit weird in the front?
No.
It doesn't? Because your sway bar end link is completely toast.
What?
Dude, look in there. It's completely separated.
Dude. Did that just happen?
No, like I went, like I just saw it. I was like, wait, why isn't there, like, we literally have one side jacked up, which usually makes this like ridiculously hard. I was like, what is that connected to? I mean, technically you can drive without a sway bar, but the car probably feels like sloppy because of it.
Well, it always been. I thought it was just because it's, wasn't like my old one. Holy fuck.
I can't understand why that freaking bracket bolt is so tight.
I don't know.
That's a little bit,
Excessive.
yeah.
I need a flat.
Safety first.
I just saved myself $150.
It's probably too heavy for you, buddy. Sorry.
Hi. Ugga.
Yeet.
Now that's the star pattern.
NASCAR.
Always leaves everything up here. Hi. That looks nice. Maybe a little bit lower on the... Cheaper. Damn, bro, what size are those wheel specs?